Welcome back, Nail Queens. Today's video is going to be a special one, revealing and swatching the Sidewalks collection from Soul Dips. This is the 2023 Autumn Halloweeny collection from Soul Dips. I love everything she does, but especially during Halloween and autumn time because it's my favorite time of year. So if you're looking to shop this collection, it releases today at 12 p.m. Eastern time, and I will have it linked down below in the description box as well with a 10% discount code so you can save some money on your purchase. So without further ado, let's get into it. So first up, we have 6 shimmery fine glitters here. It's a perfect fall color palette. So choose one or choose them all. Starting off, we have Spice Spice Baby, which is a perfect pumpkin spicy color. It's absolutely beautiful with a fine shimmer to it, making it really easy to work with. Then you have Sippin on Cider, another fine shimmer. Same consistency as Spice Spice Baby, but mustardy yellow. And then another yellow, this one's Summer Fades to Fall. This is more of a banana yellow, which is perfect for summer and fall manis. But getting into my personal favorite, Happiness is a Hot Latte. I couldn't agree more. This one is a little more glittery than the others that we have seen, and it's a brown base featuring fall foliage light colors in it, and I love that. And how about them apples? This is a red version of those finer shimmers that I showed you. So it's definitely a candy apple. Pair this with a bright green. Give it that poison apple vibes. Speaking of greens, we have All of It, another great shimmer with that same consistency and formula of the finer shimmers. So this is a beautiful light green for fall and honestly spring. I would pair this with spring manis too. Next up in the lineup is Flannel Days. So this is a finer glitter. It's thicker than what I've shown you so far, obviously a bigger size glitter, but it's super easy to work with, easy to encapsulate. It's just a beautiful multicolored glitter, which honestly I would wear that one year round. I'll have everything listed down below in chronological order of how I'm covering it. Moving on to I Love You S'more, Stay Cozy, and Leave Me Alone. These colors are 3 solids, so you got a caramel brown color, a mauve in the middle, and a lighter nude on the right hand side, and these colors are so creamy and easy to use. Now moving on to more solids, we got 2 greens, Something Wicked on the left and Happy Harvest on the right. So I'm going to show you the colors next to each other. Happy Harvest is that perfect darker olive green, and then remember how I was talking about that poison apple? Pick up Something Wicked to pair with that candy apple red. Moving on to blues, we got Walkin In The Cold and Long Sleeves. Similar yet so different. It's crazy how 2 colors can be so similar in the jar but so different when you swatch them. And regardless of what colors you add to your cart today, I highly recommend grabbing at least one of these colors, and I'll show you why in a second because they pair so well with these 2 colors. Have you come to sing pumpkin carols or witches do come true? Pair it with one of these blues and trust me, it's going to be a wonderful color combo this Halloween. Here's the swatches to the orange and the purple put together. I absolutely love these colors, and then here is that teal blue next to it. Oh, I'm just in love. But if you're anything like me and you can't stay away from glitters, you're going to want to see the rest of this video. So the first one is actually a floral. And it's so fun. You see how it says thermal on the jar? So this color is actually going to turn more translucent when it gets warmer, and it gets that darker color when it's cold. And it has green and purple flowers in here, like dried flowers. This is so freaking cool. Go check out Soul Dip's Instagram and check their tagged photos because some of the ambassadors have already posted manis with this color and it looks amazing. I love it. So next up is Be Afraid. Be very afraid. But don't be afraid of this color. It's really pretty. I know I just called it purple pretty, but there's like those darker purples and the fuchsia colors. When you're adding fuchsia, like some kind of pink in there, I let it slide. Maniac is so much fun. I feel like this goes with a variety of colors. Definitely add it with like an orange and a purple, maybe if even a green if you really want to, which is my favorite part of using glitters is pairing them with so many different colors. Whatever you do, don't fall asleep. At least that's what this color says. So this one has greens, oranges, and the shifty purple to it and the black base. There's so much going on here. Definitely recommend pairing it with the orange, green, or purple, even black. Living That Crisp Life is a shard-like glitter dip powder, and it gives me all the caramel apple or my grass is almost burning vibes. Sorry, my grass literally looks like this. because it's so hot in Texas. Every day is Halloween. Yes, I agree. Oh, this one is so funny. It's giving me Halloween candy vibes. Like there's so many different assortments. So fun. Let's get spooky. This one is probably my personal favorite, and I'm going to tell you why. It has purple cats. Cat glitters. Literally, they're cats all over it, and it's so freaking cute. I don't know if you can see it really well here, but you can see it a lot better in person. There's purple cats there, and it's just so adorable, and I love it so much. Letting Things Go is so beautiful. It's another shard-like glitter mixture, and this one pairs beautifully with those nude colors that I showed you earlier. Obviously, there's browns and mauves and kind of purple, light purple hues going on here. And be a little adventurous and pair it with 2 of these colors instead of just 1. So next up, we have Better in a Sweater. Yes, I love sweaters. I have so many. So this one is a fun, chunky-ish glitter mixture. I think this is more on the medium chunkiness side, so not incredibly too chunky, which is a great thing. And it pairs beautifully with the orange and that light blue that I talked about earlier. So just switch it out for the teal if you didn't get the lighter blue, whichever one you want. And I think the mauve actually goes great in here too. It picks up the pink tones that are in this glitter mixture, which I think is super duper fun. Next, we have Season of the Soul. So this one is a beautiful like champagne-y pinky gold background with gold leaves on top of it, and it's so pretty. Next, we have Cute as Apple Pie, and I love how many colors are in this because the color combination possibilities are truly endless. Pinks, yellows, reds, blues, golds, whatever you want. Pair it with any of those colors, you will not go wrong. Next, we have Leafy Sidewalks, which probably inspired the name of this collection, or the collection name inspired the name of this color. It features a gold glitter base with these reddish orange foil and hexagon shaped glitters all over. Next, we have Autumnal Equinox, another multicolored glitter combination, but this one comes with those reddish orange leaves on top as well, giving it the true autumn vibes. So here are all the colors that Soul Dips so kindly sent to me. Thank you so much, Soul Dips. These are so beautiful. I love the color range this year. There's so many options for everyone, and I love how creamy and buttery these solids are. I'm like really impressed. So if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up before you go, and if you're new here and you haven't already, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!